All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
I'm recording 10 Moons Resorts. We just woke up. Well, we haven't just woke up, but missed that bit because technical issues. I would have showed you my breakfast, but I've ate it, so I'll show you tomorrow, maybe. Right, I'm going to turn this. I've got a GoPro now, which means I've got to guess where I am on the video. And I don't want to show my hunky body, so I'll have to try not to. I have to guess where this is. Right, is that my head? Up here, down here. I need to get a GoPro 10 because that shows me where. Was it the 9? No, I think it's a 10. That shows me what I'm filming. Got an LCD on this side as well. Anyway, you don't want to see me, so I shall go a little walk around the coastline. Well, around the 10 Moons Resort coastline. Koh Lipe. I don't know why I say Koh Lipe in Spanish, because I'm not in Spain or in Italian, whatever. It goes that far now. I'm going to press the go. Forward. Turn around with that one. Oh, look at this lovely clear water. Yes, we're new to the drone. Last time Keiko had all the drone, she crashed it. And she only used it once, so better luck this time, eh? She faced it the wrong way. Can you see me? These crabs here on these rocks, hiding from me. The wee one. Look, these ones in here. Don't worry, crab, I'm not going to get you. I'm going to go nowhere near you. I'm more scared of you. Unless you're on my dinner plate. More vegetarians hate me now. Let's get out a little bit in case the crabs decide to bite my toes for saying that. I don't think I need to say much here, do I? Don't listen to my voice. You can look at this beautifulness. My new home. I'm going to move here, live here, stay forever. Is that okay, Bubba? You relax. Put my hand up there and the snake will come up. It's okay, it's okay. I can't get it. Yeah, there we go, there we go. Yeah.
All people here.
Hello.
Yeah, me too. Hello.
Bye.
Hey, the world.
Right. Got to pretend I started like this.
At least today the wind is not blowing so hard.
It was this morning, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
it does. But look this. Going to be a nice day, huh?
Yes.
The guy wouldn't believe it over here. The windy. He's handsome.
A woman called me handsome. Snorkeling, that's the word. Just snorkeling soon. I just had my drone out all the way over there. How about that then? How was about that? And up there. Yes. Yeah, very brave with my drone lately. Well, not that brave, but braver than I was. I'll keep getting braver and braver and braver and braver, and then eventually I'll lose it in the sea. But that's what happens. You start getting clever. Or think you're getting clever, and the next minute, boom, gone. Back to reality. Then you get told, you're not getting a new one. You broke that one and lost it. Well, people snorkeling out here. Oh, let's go get my snorkel. Let's go get my snorkel. I'm meant to wait till 11 to snorkel. I'll wait till 11. Because that's when it's best apparel. Because the fishes know, come out at 11. And it's all to do with the tide. Between 11 and 5 is best time to snorkel. I've got all this island to explore, but with this, do I really want to go and explore it? For you lot, I suppose, a bit. Just walking back to the restaurant bar area. Wash your feet, just stand off. I'll walk up here. No, it's not. I've gone too far. I've gone too far. I didn't even have to walk this far. I did that last time as well. A bit neck. So I haven't got far enough. Give myself more walking. Walk in here. Here's a bedroom. Very spacious. Fan, aircon, big TV, water. No plastic here. Just glass water thing. And water in there in glass bottles. You can refill. A big bed. Oh, the wooden everywhere. A settee with a bit of a mess on it. Safe, a couple of drawers. We've got light in here. We've got light. Oh, we do. That is the light. It's a bit dark here. Big sink. There's that guy again who keeps following me around. And here we have the shower. Big shower. Look at this. Wow. Big shower. I bet there used to be a bath here, maybe. We've got shampoo. That'd be handy. Soap. Head shower. Normal shower. Lavatory. Bedside cabinets. And let's just show you the best bit, which isn't the room. It is the view. Wow, look at this view. Big balcony. Look at that big balcony. Well, I've got to actually move around it to film it. Right. I better do a bed test. Whee! Oh. It's firm. That'll do me. So, I've just seen some upsetting news. I'm just reading about 10 moons here. And I don't know if I might have to move. Look. It says here, that sentence. Our main priority is to make you feel at home. Well, I don't want to feel at home, do I? We'll see how it goes.